How to uninstall TextNow app. First of all, open your device settings to access all your installed application and system options. This will allow you to manage, update or remove any apps on your device easily. Next, scroll down and navigate to Apps or Application Manager, then look through the list of installed apps until you find TextNow. Tap on TextNow and then select the uninstall option. Confirm your choice when prompted and the app will be completely removed from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, all data stored locally on your device will be deleted, but your TextNow account will remain active online, allowing you to access it again if you decide to reinstall the app in the future. Now you know how to uninstall the TextNow app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.